Hi there, I have a Passat 2014. Whenever I try to start the car, on the left hand of the dashboard, it starts making this noise. It's like pumping, it's pumping something. Can anyone please tell me if they had the same problem? It's a Passat 2014 diesel 1.6.